Well, hello you guys. Welcome to a vlog video. I know I don't vlog very often. I probably have pumpkin loaf in my teeth. I was just eating some pumpkin bread from Starbucks. But anyways, I don't vlog very often. I did try Vlogmas last month. I guess that was 2 months ago now. And that didn't go too well. But I wanted to vlog with you guys today. Excuse the mess behind me. I'm about to show you what's happening in here. Because I've had so many people requesting that I show like how I'm packing and how I'm preparing the house for moving, because I've told you guys many times now that we are preparing to move, and our house actually goes up on the market in 2 days. So yesterday I did all of the carpet cleaning. I finished all the touch-up painting and all that kind of stuff. And today and tomorrow I'm just deep cleaning. So the mess that's behind me is going to be gone soon, hopefully. But I did want to show you guys like what I've packed out of my makeup collection. And then I wanted to just kind of chat with you guys too. So it's not like this is not going to be like a traditional vlog where I take you throughout my day or anything. I just wanted to show you guys kind of like a peek into what's happening right now with preparing for the move. I specifically wanted to show you my makeup collection because it is dwindling. Not that I'm getting rid of a bunch of stuff, but I'm packing stuff up for the move. So I have less stuff accessible to me right now. So I'm going to show you that real quick. So like I said, I had a lot of people requesting to see this, and they specifically were asking to see how I was packing it up. Well, I've been packing a little bit here and there because I have so much other stuff that I've been doing that I just like when I have time, I might pack a box of makeup. So I didn't really film any of that, but I'll show you what I have left out. So I have a few foundations that are glass foundations because I ran out of bubble wrap. So I have to get some more before I pack these up. I don't want them breaking. My concealer, or no, wait, this was my primer drawer. That one's empty now. This was my powder drawer. That is also empty. I have about half my highlights left still to pack. I did pack a significant amount of these up already. Let's see. This is my bronzers again. I packed quite a few of those, but not all of them. My blushes, I packed most everything. I kept these Becca blushes out. I don't know why. I just randomly was like, I don't want to pack those yet. So those are still there. Let's see. This is my Poshmark drawer. This is stuff I'm selling on my Poshmark account. I haven't even touched these skincare drawers, so those are both still full. I just have stuff everywhere, you guys. I did pack my new stuff drawer. All my palettes except this one. I'm planning to use this in a video, so I did not want to pack that yet. Oh, those are my face palettes, yeah. All my face palettes. All my eyeshadow palettes are gone now. Those are all packed up. Single eyeshadows, I have most of those still to pack. I threw a few into a box. I had some room. And then this was eyeliners, mascaras, lip products. So yeah, most of it is now packed. There's just a few items left, and that's about it. I have some stuff sitting on top here. I have some PR packages on top here. Just like random stuff that I need to pack up still. But I wanted to show you guys kind of the state of where it's at right now. I do want to have all of these makeup drawers empty before it goes on the market. I don't know. I don't feel comfortable with leaving it out. I feel like it's too obvious what's happening here. If you've ever watched a beauty video on YouTube, you know what this setup is. So I just didn't want anything accessible. So I'm just going to pack all that up. So part of that, oh, and then I'll show you my everyday makeup drawers are still full. I have not packed anything. The only thing I did over here is I had, you know, those acrylic drawers right here that had my, what did I have in there? My project stuff in there. I moved those into this drawer because I didn't want that out on top. So I still have to pack up these brushes. I packed up in this brush roll the brushes that I want to keep out and have access to. So that'll just kind of stick in this little bin here for me. There's a sleeping kitty. That's Lukey. Yeah, so those will go in here when there's tours happening, but I need to pack up these. And there's my breakfast. I got pumpkin bread and a flat white from Starbucks. Yeah, and there's me. So yeah, anyway. So I'm getting kind of rambly, but the other thing I wanted to tell you guys is that obviously since 90% of my makeup is going to be packed up for like a month, it's going to be really challenging to come up with video ideas with a lot less makeup to reference. So I have a few ideas, definitely enough to get me through this next week, But if you guys have any suggestions on videos you'd like to see from me that you don't necessarily need to see any of my makeup for, please let me know, because it's going to be definitely a little bit different than what I'm used to. I'm used to having like an encyclopedia of makeup here to reference, and that's one of the reasons I have such a big collection. I know it's hard to understand if you don't make videos, but it's so much easier to make videos when you have a ton of makeup to like reference for things. So anyway, it's going to be a little bit more challenging. You're probably going to see more get ready with me videos. I know I'm going to do an empties video soon because I do have a bunch of empties to talk about. Anti-hauls, wish list, stuff like that. Anything where I don't need to show you actual makeup in my hand. You're going to probably see more of those types of videos. But yeah, if you guys have suggestions on what you want to see, let me know. I am going to take you guys now really quick through the house because I'm really proud of what I've done so far. I've been working my butt off, you guys, getting this house ready. And we've only lived here 3 years, but having 3 pets and 3 kids, it was showing, it looked lived in, I'll say it that way. The floors, the carpets were really bad. The walls had tons of fingerprints and tons of like scuff marks and stuff. And I feel like it looks like a brand new house now. So I'm going to take you real quick just through the upstairs and show you what it looks like. I'm not, like I said, I'm not 100% done. I do still have like the deep cleaning. Like I have to clean the bathrooms and kitchen, which I do have some people coming to help me with that tomorrow. But there's still quite a bit of work left to do, but I'm proud of how it's coming along. So I thought I would show you guys real quick. And like I said a few times now, I've had a lot of requests. So I thought I would go ahead and share that with you guys today. So yeah, I'll take you through the rest of the house real quick. All right, so my closet, I got that really nice and organized. The only thing is all of these bulky lights and stuff, I need them for filming. So I can't really like put them out in the garage, but they do take up a lot of space and make this feel smaller, but there's really nothing I can do about it. But I did clean up a lot of that stuff that was there, and I cleaned up the top here. Oh, and my husband cleaned up his side. I didn't clean the carpets or paint in this room because it's a closet. So I was like, you know what? No, I'm not going to do that. This bathroom is still disgusting. I need to clean it really, really bad, so we're going to ignore that. And then my room, yeah, as you can see, everything has exploded because I've been so focused on like the carpet cleaning and painting and like the deep stuff. Laundry and stuff has gotten away from me, and I have not been making my bed. And yeah, anyway, that's all going to get cleaned up today. Here's my makeup area. Kitty. Lukey. Kitty, kitty. Hey, baby kitty. By the way, my mother-in-law is babysitting Baron for me today because I have to run a bunch of errands. I have to take Kira to the dentist and stuff, so she was nice enough to come pick him up for a play day. This is Lexi's room. Look how beautiful. The carpet looks so good. And the walls, there was so many like fingerprints and just, it was really dirty. But now I feel like it looks really clean. And even though there's still a little bit of clutter in here just from her toys, I feel like it just showcases how big the room is. I think this house is gonna sell pretty quick, you guys. That's my feeling. And Aubrey's room, you guys, this room, oh, this is night and day. Now, she does still have some things to pick up here and there, but this room was so gross. There was so much on the walls. And then her carpet was the worst. I wasn't able to get all the stains out, but a lot of them I did. She had spilled some makeup here. I couldn't get that out, and some makeup there I couldn't get out, but I feel like it looks a lot better. There's, like I said, there's still stuff I need to do. It's not 100%. We ended up moving this. That rug right there was right here. I'm gonna move that out to the garage because this room feels bigger with that gone. But yeah, there's still stuff that I need to work on, and that's what I'm gonna be doing the next 2 days. But I'm gonna be so happy when this is just on the market, and hopefully, you know, ideally we're hoping that it's only on the market for a few days and that we get a bunch of offers and then we won't have to show it for very long. That's, fingers crossed, what we're hoping for. The downstairs looks amazing. I should show you the downstairs. The downstairs looks amazing, you guys, with the floors. And I finished the baseboards that were like unfinished because when we installed that hardwood floor, we added a piece on the baseboard and that needed like caulking and stuff because it just looked like there was a piece added and it looked weird. Now it looks cohesive, like it belongs there. So I'm going to show you guys that real quick. But I feel like when you walk into the home now, it just feels really pretty and like, I don't know, I'll show you. Okay, so like this is the main entrance. Ignore my shoes that I have laying out. But yeah, see, the baseboards look nice and crisp and white next to the beautiful new gray floors that we installed. And then the walls were so scuffed up and so dirty, and now they're nice and freshly painted. And I just feel like it looks nicer. So yeah, that's what it turned out like. And then we have such a nice view here. I feel like that's gonna really draw someone in. That's what sold the home to us, was our view. And this was so bad right here. We've got that all cleaned up with fresh paint. And yeah, that's what it looks like now. So I'm feeling pretty good about how the house is looking, and I feel like it's gonna sell quickly. So I'll definitely give you guys some updates as we move along on when I expect to be into the new apartment and be settled in and hopefully unpack everything. But yeah, just wanted to give you guys a quick update on how things are going since I've had so many requests. But I hope you guys enjoyed watching this quick little vlog or update video on how my move is going. And yeah, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Leave me comments, let me know any video ideas you have for me. And thank you guys so much for watching and supporting me and being so patient with me in this journey. I know I haven't been as active on my social media, but you guys are all so awesome and understanding. So I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.